Are you looking for the best drone? In this video, we will look at some of the best drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Leading Chinese drone firm DJI released its Air 2S unmanned aerial vehicle model in April of last year. On October 26, 2022, the brand released a series of updates for the device, replacing its controller with the newly launched DJI RC. This new combo is priced at 9,399 yuan, $1,292, and is currently only available in China. The set also includes 2 extra batteries, a battery charging hub, ND filters, ND4, August 16, 32, a shoulder bag and other accessories. The Air 2S firmware has been updated to include support for DJI RC and EXP settings. In addition, DJI RC has undergone various upgrades, including support for the DJI Air 2s. It adds a FlyShare function to support the transmission of DJI Fly on smartphones through the remote controller. An enhanced image transmission function has also been added, and the remote controller can be connected to Wi-Fi to realize enhanced image transmission with the drone. DJI Air 2S is equipped with a 1-inch sensor, which offers a larger pixel size of 2.4 micrometers. It also has powerful video shooting performance of 5.4K video at 30 fps or 4K at 60 fps, with upgraded front, rear, bottom and top obstacle sensors and ADS-B signals. It can automatically prompt to avoid manned aircrafts and maintain flight safety. In terms of image transmission, DJI Air 2S adopts 4 dual-frequency antennas, which are adaptive to 2.4G, 5.8 GHz, with the farthest image transmission distance of 12 km. The image transmission clarity reaches 1080p and the battery life can last 31 minutes. The newly launched DJI RC was released together with the DJI Mini 3 Pro in May this year. The remote controller costs 1,688 yuan alone, weighs only 390 grams, supports O3+ image transmission, and has a transmission distance of 15 kilometers. It can also realize 4G network communication with DJI cellular module. DJI RC comes with a 5.5-inch Full HD screen, which can be displayed at a high brightness of 700 nits, has a battery life of up to 4 hours, and supports a charging power of 15 watts. The charger supporting PD protocol can achieve the highest charging efficiency, and it takes 1.5 hours to fully charge the battery. DJI RC is also equipped with a double-tension spring rocker, which makes the control feel smoother and with higher precision. It has speakers, while not including a built-in microphone. It is worth mentioning that DJI will hold a product launch event on November 2nd, and it is expected that the Mavic 3 Classic drone will be released, with an expected price of within 10,000 yuan. Number 2. DJI rules the roost when it comes to drones. It released the DJI Mini 2 back in 2020, but it is still one of the best drones available for beginners and enthusiasts alike. You can buy the base package of just the drone for $449 or bump up to the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo, which is on sale for $479 during the Prime Early Access sale. This combo deal comes with 2 extra batteries, extra propellers, a charging hub, a shoulder bag, and more. The combo is a great way to keep you flying longer thanks to the additional batteries, and allows you to get back in the air faster if you crash because of the extra parts. Plus, the bag helps keep all the drone parts organized. The DJI Mini 2 is extremely stable in the air, even with some wind. As a result, it is easy to control in flight, even if you have no experience. The palm-size form factor makes it easy to bring along on trips or hikes. And since it weighs less than 250 grams, it doesn't need to be registered with the FAA, making it easier to get started. Beyond only flying, the Mini 2 can record impressively smooth 4K video even when flying aggressively. Thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, unfortunately, it doesn't have any intelligent flying modes like DJI's more expensive options, and it doesn't have obstacle avoidance sensors on it in order to keep the weight down, so you'll need to watch it closely while flying. But it does have some quickshot settings such as rocket and circle that fly pre-programmed motions to make certain types of videos easy. It can also take some great still photos with the 12-megapixel 1/2.3 CMOS sensor. During the Prime Early Access sale, the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo is on sale for $479. It's a great time to treat yourself or buy an early holiday gift for someone who has been wanting to experience drone photography or videography. Number 3. On October 26, Shenzhen-based drone maker DJI released multiple upgrades for its Mini 3 Pro drone, such as an enhanced image transmission function. The DJI Mini 3 Pro can now use the DJI cellular module to establish 4G network communication to ensure a stable and reliable image transmission connection. In the environment of complex signals, O3 and cellular image transmission can complement each other to improve the communication quality and make flights more stable and safe. The price of DJI cellular modules and the module brackets is 768 yuan, $106, while the price of brackets alone is 69 yuan. After the firmware update, shutter priority and ISO priority modes have been added. Under the shutter priority, users can now freely set the shutter speed, and the camera will automatically control the ISO according to the set exposure value. When ISO priority is used, the user can freely set the ISO, and the camera will automatically control the shutter speed according to the set exposure value, which can provide a more convenient shooting experience in low-light environments. In addition, the new firmware upgrade introduced to DJI Mini 3 Pro's master lens a new vertical shooting template, which enables more creative angles during flight time. The drone also supports a mirror for a 114 ultra-wide viewing angle, priced at 199 yuan. The drone can be used with the DJI RC Pro remote controller, which has a screen with 1000 nits brightness and high-performance processor for efficient control. The DJI Mini 3 Pro was released in May this year and priced between 4,198 yuan to 5,788 yuan. Weighing less than 249 grams, the drone can achieve a flight time of up to 34 minutes, while the upgraded version with an intelligent battery can last up to 47 minutes. It is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor with 48 megapixels and the maximum aperture of f1.7. The UAV's imaging system can shoot up to 4K video. In addition, the DJI Mini 3 Pro has excellent three-way obstacle avoidance performance, which makes it the safest UAV in DJI's Mini series so far. On this basis, it can achieve better autonomous path planning, automatically detect and avoid obstacles, and fly smoothly in complex scenarios. In terms of new products, according to recent tipsters, the forthcoming DJI Mavic 3 Classic drone will be equipped with the same main camera as Mavic 3, with a maximum aperture of f2.8. Blind booking will start from October 27 to November 2. The new drone is expected to be officially released in November.